Here's one thing that many traders don't know about trading, especially beginners, right?
Wow!
Risk management is very crucial to your success and profitability as a trader. I want you to think of it this way. Think of it as a trader who has $1,000 to trade, and he has decided to take just 4 trades, right? And then take the account to $10,000. But what he doesn't know is that one of those 4 trades are not going to go his way. So he goes on his first trade, goes all in, makes his good money.
Yeah, boy.
He flips his account. He goes on the second trade, flips his account again. Now he's on like $4,000. Just a few more flips and he's done. By the third trade, it does the same thing. Risk 100% of his accounts, and bam, that is the exact trade that goes south. And now he has lost all of his progress, his money, and all of the work done because he did not decide to manage his risk. That's the thing that many traders do, right? They assume that every trade is going to be profitable, unknown to them which of the next trade is going to be the bad one.